Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well, blessed love. Good morning. Blessed love, guys, blessed love. Yes, guys, anyway, thing goes, so welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. It's nothing but love and love alone. And remember, always keep it positive, nothing but love alone. So yes, guys, so we're back on the duty. Anyway, it's been a while we haven't done this, you know. So today we say we're gonna prepare some food, you know, for the elders them, you know, and also for the community, you know. So this is how we're going to start it off. You know, so the kitchen is ready, you know, it's ready for the cooking and everything. So today is the cooking day, you know, we're going to open it with some cooking day because the place is open. So finally now we can do some cooking, you know. So today menu is, you know, well, today menu is sponsored by, and this donation put down for the longest while, you know, because the shop was under renovation for so long, and it's from Enrita, you know, Enrita from Canada. You know, thank you so much from them time till now. Thank you so much for your patience. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. So we'll give thanks to Enrita for sponsoring this meal, you know, for the elders. And today we're doing some ital stew. You know, we're keeping it ital today. You know, so hopefully the elders them would like it. You know, so we're keeping it ital with kalaloo rice. You know, so it's going to be ital stew. You know, with pumpkin, carrot, sweet potato, you know, the peas is here boiling now. So this is the peas boiling as well too, with planting, everything, you know. So it's going to be a wonderful stew. I also have Afro Spikes also in the kitchen today with us, and also we have Prefect as well too here in the kitchen with us today. You know, so it's a blessing to start back this journey, you know, so we can feed the elders. So hopefully the weather is not so bad or too bad, because as you can see it's dark already, you know. So this is a rainy weather part, so nothing ain't gonna stop us. Rain, sunshine, or night, we're still gonna do this, you know. Get umbrella and we have the car, we'll just drive around and give out the food. See me, just knock on the doors, them knock and we enter, you know. So rain ain't gonna stop nothing, you know. So we have the stove out here for the minute, you know. So if the rain comes down, we bring it in the kitchen, you know, for the time. So nothing is wrong for that. So let me show you what I go on today. So here is Prefect, is here today. Oi! Huh? Spread it now.
Yeah, man, they don't know.
Yeah.
Do something for all of them, and at the right time, you know, rainy time.
Yeah.
And have food to eat and things. You see my people. Yeah, man, bless up.
So you're getting a rainy part.
Yes, man. That is it.
That is it.
Yes, man.
Alright, guys. So here is the floor. So we got the cardboard down for the minute, you know, because we put like lacquer that lock the floor, you know, and we give it a style, make it look like marble tile, you know. So tell me what you think. So as you can see, you know, it's not 100% dry, you know, but the part that's dry, we put the cardboard over it, you know. But look and tell me, don't this look like marble tile on the floor here? Look at that. It was a wonderful idea doing this marble tile look, right? And we have Afro Spikes here, you know, the thing go as usual. Afro Spikes is here preparing this is a sweet potato now. Afro Spikes are doing for the ital pot today, you know. So the elders and everyone here, you know, we're going to eat healthy today, you know. Even though the elders them like meat, you know, so boy, it's not all about meat, it's all about the health, you know. So they're getting, so we're starting it off like this, the healthy way. So you have the Irish, you have the sweet potato, you have the pumpkin, you have the carrot, and also getting steamed cabbage as well too, you know, on the side with mixed vegetable, the plant in there, you know. We have the kalaloo as well to go in the rice, kalaloo rice, and we have the string bean, and we have the okra over there, the scallion, the thyme, the carrots, you know, so you name it. So the cabbage here, well, cut up and thing, yes. So this is how we're starting it off, you know, back cooking for the elders and ourselves also. You know, it's a wonderful look. So, guys, tell me, I love the floor. It have the marble tile look. You know, marble tile. Hello, Eric. What the floor look? Like it's a marble tile. We're not lying.
I love about it, you know, easy clean.
Yeah.
Just throw water and
wash it out. Because what we put on it is called resin, resin, something like that it name.
Yeah, some farmers.
Yeah, them use it to make boat.
Yeah,
to make fiberglass. And they have a thing we call the hardener to harden it. So it's gonna stay shine as you see it. So whenever it's dirty, you just show some water and wash it out.
You know it's good for like if you have slab roof, you can use it on the
slab roof also. Yeah.
Water just run out.
Yes, just run out. No joke. No joke about it. Come on. So this is our kitchen tap, guys. You know the thing. So as I said, the pot is bubbling. You know the peas pot is on. So you know the thing. We're gonna prepare the rest and get this thing going. Alright guys, so what's going on now here? So this is the pumpkin and sweet potato here cut up, you know, and the Irish and everything cut up. Over here we have the steamed cabbage with the string bean and okra. Yeah, that's going to go on the side as well too. Yeah, and we have the okra and the rest of the rice is like Joe. And the season and everything, you know, so the big pot here, I'm not sure, so yeah. So this is what taking place right now. Look the mesh that we have on like you can't even see. Oh. Yeah, so the upper spikes I make sure so everything cut up right. Yeah, the pot them outside I go and boil, I go and simmer down. Let me show you how I go on outside. Rasta Jacks today I go and sweep up at the meantime. So stew piece pot. So that I go and coconut milk, I go and simmer down the peas and everything. This is gonna be the rice pot also and everything. So the weather hold up, so make it go and hold up some more. Yeah, so make it go and hold up some more. You know it goes there. Go and hold up. Go and hold up same way. Mr. Jackson now go and sweep up. If you know what it's on the floor, you know, just for this, make sure the place is fully dry and everything. Boy, I love the marble tile. Every time the camera turns point, I'm looking like a real marble tile and I look fine. So, yes guys, so what we're going to do is outside here, we're going to pave off this as well, we're going to granite this off as well to rough first, and then we're going to do the blue, but the blue is going to be exactly like this blue on the outside right here. So, you know, so from there to this end, you know, we got the same blue and put the black to complete everything. So it's still a work in progress, but we are going to put on this and then we're going to finish go back in here with the paint, with the mask and that left and everything, you know. And we're going to put a little pink in the middle right here for it. It makes everything look well. So this is this. Who God bless?
don't know them man.
What do you mean? Great footballer.
We're there, you know. Akeynote, how do
So Ricky's in the kitchen cooking
chicken,
stew and kalaloo rice.
yeah, vegetable stew, kalaloo rice, everything nice.
Get the sauce.
Get the cup there in there, so.
No, it's that thing I never eat it.
Kalaloo rice. Kalaloo rice.
Me kalaloo and rice.
You never eat kalaloo rice?
Never.
Ready. So here, this is sugar. Beautiful. You know? This is the Itals shoe. I want to give thanks to Enarita from Canada. So that's the shoe. And this is the steamed vegetable, cabbage, kalaloo, string bean, okra, and all them things there. Yeah. So at least that is ready now. You know, so we're waiting on the kalaloo rice, you know, to finish steam. You know, so let me show you how I go on with the kalaloo rice until. Let me show you how I go on. So here's the kalaloo rice steaming down. So we have some more rice here, steaming down in the coconut milk.
One thing. Yeah, man.
So big up Enarita.
Yeah, man. We're there, Enarita, man. Big up yourself, man. You see me, I say, I want 30 grand this, man. We're there on the dream team ends. You see me, I say, let's go and chill out and all our vibes today and cook some Itals show.
Yeah, don't put it
yeah, man. You see me, I say, so. I just this way, you know. You see me, I say, so. Big up yourself again.
Enarita.
You see me, I say, Enarita. Yeah, man.
Canada.
One family, man, you know? Yes, I.
Big up Enarita.
I said we ain't got Enarita. Enough respect and enough love. Yeah, one team in the dream team over there. I said we have 30 grand, I tell you. Yeah, Kino they are alive. And the dream team them they are alive. So that thing we go on for two. So we know some more love we are doing. And big up yourself every time. Extended family, more love. We love them every minute, every hour, every second. Yeah, one love.
And the mind to thank Enarita for providing this stew.
Enarita, one loving and thanks for providing this true, you know, blessed thanks. One love, yeah.
Elders them everybody can eat nice today, you know?
Yeah, every time. Love every time.
One team. One team.
Afro Spikes.
Thanks to
Enarita.
Enarita.
Yeah.
A male or female?
Female.
Oh, Enarita. Thanks, Enarita, for the meal today. Mwah.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Enarita, you know?
Enarita. Blessed and love, man. That's what I say.
So, see what one like kalaloo rice, man?
Enarita.
Yeah.
Blessed love, man.
Enarita, as the chef, I'm going to taste it first. So we are going to get a nice display.
Alright, that is Riquelme Spikes. It's yeah, man. Enarita, enough love and blessed.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Enarita. Take it to the elders, them you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you see?
Prepare the elders.
Prepare the elders, them you know. Right, supposed to ready.
Yeah. I get that. Next 2 minutes over to ready. So see there? So everything ready, that ready. So, you're gonna ready. Alright, see there, Enarita. This is all the record deal, you know. This African Spikes, the Afro Spikes chef, you know, the Itals shoe boss. This is what it looks like. The kalaloo rice there, steamed vegetable, and this stew there. And I'm gonna taste it and tell you how nice it is. Alright. You see it there?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Say the right name?
Whoa.
Yes, man. Whoa.
Whoa, you know? Aye. My God. 7 days a week,
Yeah, man.
twice on Sunday. This is gonna cook.
Vegetable tastes nice too.
Yes, man.
With the okra in it.
That. Yeah, so see you guys, you know, it's time now for go share now for the elders them and thing, you know. Stews there. And here we have the cabbage there is ready. So everything is ready now, so we're ready. We lock and load. We put a little extra rice on the stove, you know, just in case, you know, if we're not going to finish with the elders them and who want to get some, if you have more straw or anything, you know, we always have to do that, you know, prepare some more and the thing there. So, blessed love. Hello.
Yeah,
You have to know also
what they eat.
Respect the units, yeah, man. Yeah, look.
Enerita. From when? Yeah, but I'm in the shop just crash. Boom. Come with us. Enerita.
Senorita.
Enerita.
Enerita. Where's the elder?
Here for the elders.
Thanks very much, Enerita, for this meal for the elderly. I know they really appreciate it. Worse than the weather here.
Yeah. Yaga yow.
Yeah, give thanks. Thank you very much. In the food basket never empty. Thank you, no. Thank you to Kino. Thanks all who provide this the way. God bless you, no. Yeah, man. Thank you very much.
Vital is vital, you know?
Yeah, because long time I know them food your Kino.
Long time, no?
Yeah. Long time from when. Say no, a long time.
Yeah. From Ben days.
Yeah, man. God bless you, no. Man, you got shining bright like pound. Anyway, at all on the day, I mean, the food basket ever open free. I mean, never empty. Thank you, no.
Yes.
Esther, thank you.
Give one fag. One fag, mister. Go on. And Gloria, yeah.
God bless.
Alright, prefect, take a water and give me water for him. Yeah, sure.
God bless to somebody who
Enrita.
God bless to the reaper.
Yeah.
Bless her. And there's somebody to me.
Sandra.
What's your name?
Sandra.
Sandra, God bless Sandra.
Yeah.
And thank her so for
Okay, you never have to take it out. Just take out a couple of them.
and all the people them who
Extended family.
Yeah. Peace and blessing and God's protection for them.
Yeah.
And grant them paradise and make life easy for them. All of them. Who give me and who give anybody else. Peace and blessing and God's protection. Thank you, Kina. God bless. God bless.
So after the rice spot, only good. Let's put it down. Let's put yeah. See it right there, sir. Put it down. Yeah, do. Oh, Winston. Bring some stew for you and callaloo rice. It's been a while when I cook some food, you know. So we start it back, you know.
Yeah, man, Mr. Winston, you know. After GMT, man, you know. God bless you, Mr. Winston. Because so we start it back, you know. Yeah, that's so different. You got to go on later down, go down, you know. Yeah, man. Thanks.
Alright then, yeah.
Alright, Mr. Winston, man. Take your time, man. That's so low.
John, when I back this up, one more call that. Put on your slippers.
Police, open up. We're running a search warrant. Our search in the community. No, open up, police, come on, open up. PC Charles out here. I said, madam, open the door. Police is here. Yo, search who live there. Who live there? Search who live there. Oh. I mean, I'm just coming a while ago. Hey, John. Police is here.
Joanne.
So what my food there? So I don't know get food.
Okay, that's true. Joanne, get your own and come for another one. Get your own and come for another one.
She makes she come feed.
Yeah, come feed. Alright then, Joanne.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright, are you send when I twin feed?
I don't know, man.
Alright. Take out one of the food, Sam.
See rice.
No. Come. Go down. Jen. What go on? Busy? Oh. Something here. Add it on the list, you know? Some ital stew and callaloo rice. Yeah, Rick.
Oh, full of man, bless him, man.
Ital stew and callaloo rice.
No boss.
No boss, brother, family.
No.
You know your thing though.
King over there something, man, isn't it?
Oh.
Just bring one food, you know, see it.
Alright then, bro.
Respecting the king.
Yeah, man. Whole a beating it, yeah?
What my blessing.
Whole a beating it too. Alright. Prince, come to our food, come.
Mighty God. Yes! I'm good food now. Love the belly.
Oh. See, Prince. It tastes good, man. That food. Take out two of them then. Go to the water trucks. Two of the fog.
No, that one's
The back there. Come, make it stay, Long time on the road, should I concrete up? Well, not be a thing to go on. Migo!
Please.
Well, go on.
What man?
Well, go on, man.
Yeah.
Give me a photo.
Man, a revolution, man.
We don't tell them what, man. Your food that you know. Your food that. Tell the weed out of your mouth, man. You know you don't feel smoke weed. Why you smoking the weed? You know it's not good for your health. You must say, man, give that sound. You know you always have seizure and now you're smoking.
Yeah.
Always. Put that there. You're a smoker, you know you always have seizure. I don't understand, you know. Why you think about the weed smoking? There here, man. Fix some curtain there. Hey, see that? Hey. Out here, sir.
They say, brother, me and that, you know, from January, you know, you can't go off me, you know. They have to go and try life. But they have 2 bags of coal gone. No one to buy no coal, you know.
John,
no one to buy no coal, no place. No place, yeah, but man. They shall give you 50,000 for yourself.
So shall give 50,000 for yourself?
Yeah, sir. I'm much with them. Right, God bless you for yeah, very, very good.
Yeah.
Can't see it.
Yo, you have seizure and you still a smoke
I
the
am
weed.
so dynamite, man.
Yeah.
Crack.
Can't
Can't
smoke
you mouth, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Boy, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Very good, yes, sir.
Alright then, see. Him have seizure, you know, him always have seizure. Whenever I'm smoke weed, it give him a seizure as well too. You know, so. Oh my God. Pauline! Pauline? Pauline? Yeah. Oh, go on, some food affair there. Yeah. Where the auntie there, the lady? Okay, down there, sir. Down here, sir, right? Hold on, I get that. Can't wait, so I get that later, so.
Kala one the boom.
Can't want him.
But my own is Christmas, I say, wait. You have the money, you can't get
one. You know the thing already.
No one, nothing, man. You can get one. I just say, well, right away, me about it. But a long time, I don't see the rice like this.
Yeah.
Hey, I watch it, man.
Callaloo rice you getting, you know.
What you should I record me and eat 2 patty? Just, hello, the patty they done yet?
Yeah. Those were the days one time I used to sell patty, right?
Oh, you mean how long I know you?
Yeah.
Playing a belly.
Yeah.
Oh. And you come out now, come go on like say, you're still in a belly.
History man, them man. Man, I can't.
Gives you over thanks and praise.
More side. It's a long time in Callaloo rice though. Jeez, coconut milk. Items true. Pure milk.
You know, some me, Chris, you don't want to cut that one off, but to make sure I pass me like say.
You know, see you.
Yeah, right.
Maybe Chris wear glass now, you know, say. You never know, you know. Yeah. Very good, man. Dog, you know, bite and eat. What copy? Yeah. No teeth, man. No bite you. Oh, you have get food already? It's a better food, a bigger chef than her.
I'm supposed to come down now?
Hey, auntie, a better food, I cook better than her. I tell stew and callaloo rice.
Nice man, thank you.
Yeah, give your fork and water.
Yes, man. Yes, me darling. Thank you, me darling.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Alright, take care. Philip! Just give me one here, boom.
Extend your growth. Otherwise, love, fear love, you love and show love. Yeah. And that's really
more love. Alright, then. Check Philip button down. Put up in chef there. Philip! Okay. Yeah, man.
What a respect, yes, sir.
Yeah. Big up. See there?
I'm going to take a bit, sir.
Oh, see there.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah.
Every time, you bless and protect you. I'm big up Papa.
Yeah. See, I big up on Facebook.
Yeah, you see.
Let's see. Respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up.
Bless him and where I come from, yes, sir?
Yeah.
Respect again.
Alright, then bless, okay?
Yeah, man. So God bless you, yes, sir?
Yeah, man. Alright. Oh, yeah. Come here, where a bit? Bring a food for you.
Bring a food to me.
Yeah?
Bring a food to me.
Yeah, and your neighbor, where she is?
Yeah.
She's there. Of course. Yeah. What's your name? Miss Az? Miss Az?
Miss Az.
Come back.
Yeah,
how much you will do?
Yeah, one for Mrs. and one for you.
Yeah, you got the two of them?
Okay.
Miss Az, she there? I want the two of them. She in there?
Miss Az!
Oh, she
Somebody
there.
out the door here. Somebody out the door here, come. Somebody there to want you. Need you.
Shab already. Oh, sorry.
Miss Az.
Go on, girl. Bring on food for you. Alright, then take care.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, mommy?
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Take care of yourself.
Yes, man, we will. I got screw my face next time.
Come on.
Alright, then I'm not going to screw them, I got smile. I got smile. And alright, though.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Good night, good day, good evening. Yeah, baby boy. Wrong the time. Damari, bring our food for you. So let's drop it off still, quick and fast. I tell straight. Yeah. I tell straight with callaloo rice. You know the thing goes already. Oh yeah, what you think? Okay. Let's see that. Yeah man. Alright, cool. Oh, you see yourself already? Okay. Alright, look at it, yeah? Cooler man. So next time I add you to the list, okay?
Yeah. Hello. Me want my Christmas tree, you know.
Alright, then no problem.
And I even one sweetie.
One sweet, alright. So she want one, you want two sweetie?
Yeah.
And she want one?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's three sweeties, right?
Yeah.
Alright, then no problem. And make sure we secure that phone, okay? Alright, then take care, yeah?
Yeah.
How was she there?
She needs there.
Oh. Oh. Me go pray for you.
Yeah? I'm pray for you. Take care, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man. Give thanks. Yeah. Alright, guys. So you know that is it. You know, boy, the food them run well today. But now, like, give thanks to Enorita. You know, thank you so much.
Yeah.
What you doing over here? Hey. Oh, into Australia. It's all gone over. Good, good. Take. Yes, Enorita, we give thanks. You know, we give thanks for this meal. You know, we really appreciate it. You know? There, man. Well. Good morning, guys. Let's say love. Everything comes. So it is that morning. Me at the airport early. It's quite busy as well on this early morning here. So I guess a lot of people live in Jamaica early morning.
You chilling, bro? Check the weight already?
No. Alright guys, so I'm checked in. Yeah, so anyway thing guys, I'm checked in and I'm ready. Whoa. Oh, I can't even bring this. I have to get rid of this. You see me I bring the Ibo Spice drink. You know we can't bring any liquid craft there, so the last site right now. So I just had the loss of that. So yeah. So time to go do my checks, take off my shoes, go upstairs, get something to eat, and then I'm relax a bit. Hello, L. Hello, L. Hello, L. Oh, this. Not Toya.
Come swell up my front phone,
May I tell you, get rid of the food smell. You know the fish, that fish?
Fish fillet.
The fish fillet, right? Guys, I'm having a quick breakfast. I'm boarding starts in like 20 minutes, so I don't have long. I really don't have long. So I'm just having this quick and then I'm getting bored. Guys, you can see the renovate. That wasn't here the last time. So they do some renovation. Alright guys, so we literally start boarding now. So I'm literally here boarding as we speak. You know, so I guess it's not a packed flight. Yeah, the flight is not packed. Really? Well, not yet. Let's see. But when I was checking in, the lady told me that it's not going to be that packed. You know, so I'm going to have this whole row of seat, you know, for myself. So not sure. So let's see. People. Oh. It does look like it's only like one and a few people is boarded, so I guess it's not a packed flight. You know, so heading to Fort Lauderdale. So guys, so you know things goes already. Thank you guys for the love and the support. You know, remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching. And guys, we are literally slacking on the likes, you know, because it's been a while I've been mentioning. Literally getting slack. We're not liking the videos then anymore how we used to, you know, but it's understandable, you know, if you're not really liking it. But yes, let me know, you know, give me the heads up. I say, you know, this and that, you know. But remember, please to like the video. Once you start to watch, you know, remember, please to put the thumbs up when you're watching. And thank you so much. So I'm heading to this destination, you know, which is we're going for Lauderdale now. You know, we're gonna be at. So after, you know, where I'm heading next, you know. So you're gonna see the big festival. So as soon as I reach, you know, everything goes already, guys. So blessed love and stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Nothing but love alone. So yeah. approaching Fort Lauderdale now. You know, so the flight is literally reaching like 35 minutes earlier than usual time. You know, so that's good. You know, it's good. So I meant to reach at 11 a.m. So I'm reaching like 35 minutes early. You know, so I tried to take a nap. You know, quick and fast, but I only could have closed my eyes. You know, because Florida is just right here, so it's all I could have closed my eyes, and then I'm up now. You know, so preparing to land. You know, so we got the glory. You know, so we've been safely up from Jamaica, and now we're gonna safely down in Florida. Yes, it's quite sunny outside, as you can see. It's sunny. So it's sunny here in Florida. You know, Jamaica now is literally cloudy, partly cloudy because of the storm and everything. You know, a lot of overcast. When it was lifting up, there's a lot of clouds as well too. You know, so much. See you when I get on the ground, guys. Touchdown. Heading for touchdown. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touchdown. That's the best part when you touch down. So when you touch down, that means you're safe. I will give thanks to the Almighty. We're safe. We landed safe. We're here in Fort Lauderdale. So we are safe. So as you're watching this video, you know, the festival is taking place right now at the Rehab Center in Sunrise. You know, as you're watching this, it's taking place right now at the Sunrise Rehab Center. So if you're watching it, you really want to pass through, yeah, you can easily well come through now because the time is still there. You know, so you can Google the address, which is the Sunrise Rehab Center in Fort Lauderdale, and you see it pop up. So see you there.
Smoking is prohibited except in designated areas.
been through custom, everything is checked. And now I'm outside, just come outside, you know, so Pat is on her way, you know. Pat, when we say driver, don't stop at all, she never stop, you know, so she's not far away right now. So yeah, it was simply the best smooth sailing coming through, you know. So yeah, no hustle, no tussle, nothing at all, no hustle, no tussle, no bustle. So I went through clearly, and now I'm outside now. Yeah, flight was smooth as well too, you know. It was a decent flight coming in, you know, not much turbulence. Till when time we was literally going to land there because it was a bit windy, so we got some wind, you know, when it was coming in. So that's when you hear the people that were screaming when the plane kind of dip one side, you know, everyone you know, so everyone was on that tipping edge. So even when time the plane land, they were so frightened as well because they couldn't wait, you know, because that little moment that them get to the dip, them like, what? Because it felt away, you know, it went boom and come back up. But it was the wind while it was stirring at the same time, and you got a dip, you know. So yes, so I'm back here, and so guys, you know, after this, I'm moving on to my next destination, you know. You already have it in your mind where I'm going already. So if you know where I'm going, just look forward to seeing me here next. Just look forward to seeing me next right here, right? So you know, everything was already, so you know, we're on the move, we're on the go, and you know, the familiar face. So I say, driver, don't stop at all. You know, we have Pat is here. You know, Mommy Charmin is doing an interview. Big international, you know. She's big international because, you know, the big show, the big festival, so she's doing a big interview. So it's Charmin a star a long time, yeah? Star. So you know, we just get picked up, so we're heading on to our destination. You know, to pass through the rehab center and see what's going on with our preparation. As I'm saying, you're watching this video, everything is going on right now. Everything is taking place right now at the rehab center. So if you're watching, that means you're missing. So I guess you have to just wait for the video and so on. So after that event, now I'll be heading to. I almost say it a while ago, I almost give away myself. You know, after the event I'll be heading to, yeah, you know, but you will see me there. You know, I almost say it, you know, imagine that. You know, when them say you talk too much, you know what, we leave it alone. You know, see you guys later. Alright guys, so we just pick up some bulgur rice and salmon fish with some steamed vegetable. And it's been a long time having that bulgur rice. It's been a while. So here at Golden Cross. You know, Golden Cross is a very popular food restaurant here in especially in Portland. Very popular. And it's also in New York as well to Golden Cross. Like the first time I had Golden Cross food in the same place here, you know, in Fort Lauderdale. You know, one time just came here the first time and Oliver and Carla brought me here as well. So, you know, so yeah, so it's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. So I'm really peckish now, you know, because that meal that I had early in the morning, you know, from Island Grill, and just right now, really raw. You know, I can say fish alone raw, but right now I'm raw. So I cannot check into my hotel as yet because the time is still early. You know, so we're gonna head around by the rehab center, you know, because we know they're preparing for the event and everything. As we said, guys, if you're watching this, the event is taking place right now as you're watching this video. You know, so but you will see that video, you know, while I'm heading out to my next destination, which is I'm going to not tell you anything about it, but I'm going. I'm coming. You're going to see me there, right there. So, you're seeing how they're going to get to the rehab center. Oh, big up. Yeah, we just reached. Yeah? Just reached. Okay. Yeah, man. Nice, man. That's a good thing. See that, man? Definitely. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just reach, you know? Yeah. And grab some food. You know, tomorrow they have the festival at the rehab center. Yeah. Yes, by the sunrise. You can pass through. Right by my house. Yeah. Alright, you can pass through, man. Take a nice. I'm representing Jamaica. Yeah, man. Bless up, man. Yeah? Alright, it's good.
Tomorrow I come pick up them.
Hello.
Good to you.
Hello. Joanne. Hello.
Walk too fast.
How are you?
Oh my
gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hi, Kino.
Yes.
Hi, Kino. I'm happy to see you.
So we're going to set him up.
Mm-hmm.
You can sit here, Kino, and eat.
Yeah.
We are so busy.
I heard.
So come, make yourself comfortable.
As usual.
I got some water right here.
Yes.
So have some water.
As usual, I'm home.
Yes, you're home. Oh, did you grow taller?
No, it's the inches and the shoes.
Oh, okay.
You know, every time.
We're so happy to see you.
Yeah, happy to be back.
Okay, let's get some more playing.
Cheers. So guys, it's good to be back.
Yes.
Mommy Charmin, she's busy, you know.
Yes, very busy.
So guys, as I'm telling you,
Cultural Day.
yeah, as you're watching this, it's going on right now.
Yes, we're preparing for Cultural Day. Come on down.
Yeah.
Tomorrow starting at 10.
No, it's going on now.
It's okay. The preparation.
Yeah,
because you're
this,
here.
Yeah, so they're watching this video tomorrow, so that means it's already going on.
Okay,
guys, so
very good.
if you're not here, you're watching this on TV, you're watching this part.
Okay.
You know, so it's going on now. All right, thank you, Pat. All right. So.
Make yourself comfortable, Tina.
Yeah. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna eat some of this food now before I stretch my legs. So see what my food looks like here. This is it. So that's my salmon, my steamed veg with the bulgur rice. Anything a golden cross, so we golden. So, let me take a walk. You want longer than it burger rice? Let me see. Eating healthy is not about the taste. It's about the right thing in your tummy. Alright, so
these are donated TVs
for Trenchtown.
for Trenchtown.
Wow. It's quite Trenchtown. Laptop too?
No, just the TVs.
Just the TVs.
And I got a phone that was donated.
Yeah.
Okay.
A phone?
Yes.
Wow.
So I'll give it to you. And out here.
Trenchtown is blessed getting TV, getting flat screens.
This is Esther.
That's Esther.
Trenchtown.
Trenchtown.
All of these donations. All of those boxes. So we're gonna do
all of those boxes?
Yeah.
Wow.
There are wheelchairs and so we're going to do a container.
And what is this? Pool?
Pool for the kids.
What?
Yes.
Oh my God. So the kids them might get pools. So look at this. So this is like how much pool? 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of pools, man.
Because you have for the babies.
Yeah.
Babies over here.
So a lot of giveaway.
And then this is Miss Grace's chair.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So here you go, Miss Gracie.
Yes, that's Miss Gracie's chair.
So I know she's watching. So Miss Gracie, here is her chair.
Yes.
You know, I hope she can fit in it, right?
Yes, because it extends.
Oh, it extends.
It extends.
Okay.
And this can go up, it can go down. Yeah.
Okay. So Miss Gracie, I know she's jumping for joy right now. She's praying and she's thanking the Sunrise team. Wonderful. Yeah. This one electric, right?
Yes, electric. I have this thing inside because I didn't want
Turn
to leave it.
Yeah.
I have
Hey y'all.
Hi, Stephen.
Alright, doing alright?
Yeah.
Sorry, give me a second.
Gracie is blessed. So we give thanks. Gracie, you have your mirror you can see behind you.
And
you
lights.
know, and you have your lights as well too. You know, big driver, Gracie. Well, we really appreciate so much.
Yes,
this.
and let me take you. Let me take you for where the other things are.
Too much pools. There's a lot of pools.
A lot of pools for the kids.
You have to walk around on the street and give the kids them pool and East Street. It's a lot of pools. Yeah, distribute the pools.
You know, it gets very hot. The kids can have pools to cool off.
I'm telling you,
Yes.
see, everybody have pool.
We don't forget the Trenchtown kids.
Alright. Just so give thanks, guys. I'm telling you, we have to give thanks so much, you know, because this collaboration with Sunrise team and Dream team.
Dream team, we're always thinking about it. We're always thinking about the Dream team.
Yeah, making moves, you know.
Never forget them.
And here's another room. Oh, this is the Dream team room.
Yeah.
We're going into. So imagine going into the Dream team room now. Trenchtown office.
Those are all the boxes for Trenchtown.
Oh
that
my
we're going to be
days.
doing on the the trailer. So now you see.
Oh my, all them boxes here?
All the boxes.
Oh my
Trenchtown,
days.
with the boxes over there.
Can you see them say Trenchtown?
Trenchtown. That's why we start packing and just writing
Trenchtown.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Trenchtown.
Yep.
Trenchtown.
So next week we're packing and the trailer coming.
Yes, so next week.
Container coming.
Oh gosh.
Lots of stuff for Trenchtown.
No sir.
Yeah.
Well, we have to start be giving away straight as them arrive, because there's so much.
A lot of stuff.
Yes, we're gonna be definitely get to work as them arrive. We got a lot of stuff, man. Look at this, Trenchtown in Florida.
Yep.
Trenchtown and the suit and the wheelchair them already pack up as well,
Yeah,
right?
the wheelchairs are in the boxes over there, and we still have more wheelchairs to come, walkers. So the day the truck comes, we pick up everything, then we will just take it for the shipping.
Wow. And it will reach in time?
Yes, because Marlene told us exactly how to go about it. The last time we didn't know how to do it. So,
Wow. So that, guys, hey, listen. Boom. Rasta Jackson, Prefect,
Yes.
and getting yourself ready because a whole heap of work coming.
Yes.
You know, we have to
And-
start straight away.
Yes,
Right?
and we will be there November 20th. We
Yeah.
arrive November 20th. The health fair is the 21st, 22nd. And we will be having the local doctors helping us, dentists. We have Dr. Finnegan who will be there, the dental surgeon.
Yeah.
We're going to have pediatricians. We're going to have internists from there, and we will be coming down to collaborate with them.
Yeah.
It's about 30 of us coming down.
Wow.
Yes.
You
This
hear
year
that,
is going to
guys?
be much bigger, so we want to make sure the schools
Mhm.
know that they can have the kids coming out, especially for the dentist.
Yeah.
And we are going to also have pediatricians for the children.
You hear that, guys?
Yes.
So it's bigger move, you know, it's
Yes.
bigger and better.
Yes.
Bigger and
Yeah.
better, you know. So just stay tuned for this work, you know, the work of the miracle, the Almighty Himself putting all this together. You know, I really appreciate it so much, you know. Boy, that day when time Sunrise team coming to our direction, you know, it was a sent by God blessings, you know, for all of this to happen now. So it's going to be the 21st of November,
Yes.
you know, by 6th Street, you know, by the center, or we have it the last time. So that's where it's going to be, you know. So we're going to have some flyers print as well too, so you guys can wait. But we're going to keep everyone in tune, and we're going to make sure so on that day we come look for everyone and bring them there as well too. You know, okay, you cannot miss this appointment. You cannot miss this appointment. So if you never get your teeth checked, you know, for all your life, you know, never have the money to go to the dentist, here's the opportunity, you know, to get the kids their teeth checked and everything. Get all your teeth checked. Come get your checkup, everything. You know, right?
Yes.
Checkups, checks, everything. Check all you can check and get all you can get. What a whole heap of pool, man. This is a whole lot of pool.
All those boxes are wheelchairs.
And the box them is wheelchair. At least the Dream Team kids them I get pool each.
Yep.
TVs.
Hello.
I'm not sick. I'm just
You're not sick?
cautious.
What's wrong with her? She's not sick. What's wrong?
Oh, sorry.
She's not sick.
Make sure.
She's not sick.
Oh,
She's
yes.
pretending
Okay,
sick.
just look and make sure. Yeah, because she's new.
Oh, she's new.
New Yorker.
Yes, I'm very new.
From New York.
Yes.
Oh, so you didn't get her to subscribe as yet?
Yes. Oh, yes. Did we get you to subscribe yet?
No.
Come, go on your phone now. Kina Life in Jamaica.
I do wrong on my assessment.
Kina.
Red. Oh, so go to what?
YouTube.
Okay.
Did you
Subscribe.
subscribe to Tina?
Yeah.
Oh, from me.
Kino. Kino Life in Jamaica. There
Oh,
it
okay,
is.
it's right here.
So, subscribe.
Oh, wow.
So now you're going to see yourself tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right. Thanks. Yeah. No, she never met me.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so,
Introduce yourself.
hello, my name is Kino. What's yours?
Oh, Natasha. Nice
Natasha. So she have been subscribed as yet, mom?
No, you haven't subscribed to him.
No.
Get your phone out.
Get your phone out.
Yes. Get your phone out.
Get your phone out.
YouTube.
You know today's my last day, right?
That's what I heard. Where are you going?
I'm still gonna be with Optimum. Oh, I don't have the app. Hold on.
You don't have YouTube?
But just tell me the name and all.
Kino.
K-I-N-O.
Because he tried
Oh, it's right. It pops right up.
Yeah.
Yes. So subscribe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can subscribe.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
So where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go with Optimum, but I'm gonna be
How you doing? I'm good. I'm good.
You're right.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
Yes,
you.
so tomorrow we're winning again?
Of course. Jamaica's always on top.
Always.
So you are promoted.
If they say it's a lot of them, but I'll be home.
I think that's good for you.
Yeah.
Hi, Rosa. How are you?
How are you?
You right? All right, yeah.
No coffee today.
You're right.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, you see, you watch a lot. My husband and you watch a lot.
See that big husband.
Yes, I will. Good to see you.
Yeah. You gonna be here tomorrow?
I'm gonna try to come out and see what. It's the first time since I might come and see what it's like.
Yeah.
So you're going to be here?
Yeah, I'm gonna be here.
I might stop by.
Yeah, man. Tell the husband same kind of road you
Yes, I will. Take care. Good to see you.
All right,
I wish you all the best.
All right.
Prosperity and long life and good health.
Alright, thank you. So, wow, look at all the flags. Look at all these flags. This is a flag walk. So this is the flag walk. All the flags. So many flags.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
Introduce.
I'm good.
Yes.
This is Jeanette and Daria.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Jeanette.
Janet, nice to meet you. And we have Daniela. Nice to meet you.
Daniela.
So getting the balloons and sorted for tomorrow.
Yes.
Wow.
We are.
Ready.
We are trying.
Who's going to win? Who's going to win tomorrow?
Latino.
Us?
The Latinos.
That's the confidence.
Yeah.
That is the confidence we need.
Definitely.
You know, so let's see who's going to win tomorrow.
That's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it's going to be nice.
That's good.
Wow. Lovely.
Thank you.
Alright, then take care.
What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up?
You cool?
How you doing?
I'm
Good?
good, man, yeah.
Nice to see you again.
I hope you're going to be here tomorrow.
I'll be here.
Okay.
I'll be here tomorrow, but fortunately I'm going to be at work though. But we'll be here.
Well, at least you'll still be here. Whoa, representing
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yes.
Listen. Last year
It's the shoes. It's the shoes.
I can even hug you. I'm just eating. YouTuber.
Hello.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
I just met him.
How are you?
20 minutes ago.
You got two Latino.
We met 20 minutes ago. Where?
On D-Wing. When I was sitting, I was sitting at the desk.
Oh, you look taller.
You met me? I met him when the dialysis.
So you came just for the event every year?
Yes.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
Kingston.
From St. Elizabeth, honey, the best parish
Hey.
ever.
We're in St. Elizabeth.
Goshen.
Goshen, oh. The South Coast is my side, by Treasure Beach.
I'm Treasure Beach all the time, Jack Spot all the time.
But that's my spot. That's my spot.
Jack Spot is we have to go to Jamaica together.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to stay at hotel.
Can't stay there because Airbnbs and because
No, she
villas.
can stay at my house.
Okay.
He know, guess where I'm at?
But my
I'll be
husband
there.
is from Alligator Pond, so he's right on the water.
Okay, man, the alligator them. Alright, I hope him not get bite though, you know. I hope not. So we say you for the big day tomorrow?
Anybody bite him?
Problem.
Wow.
Well, yeah.
No, not problem with me. I moved to the next. What problem?
Okay.
Maybe they were keeping him as a secret. I didn't know he was coming.
They're keeping me as a secret?
Yeah.
Good to keep it a secret. You don't like surprise?
And then you should have walked in here and said, surprise.
Exactly.
So
But she
comes
saw
every
me.
year and support you guys?
Mm-hmm.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
That is so nice.
But that's my mommy here, you know. I went to G-Wing and everyone's...
Listen, I'm new kid on the block, but say
Okay.
that very carefully.
It's my mommy. It's my mom here, you know.
Okay.
How many you have?
I have a lot.
You know, Pat told me the other day, we're sisters, but she's the pretty one. I said, that's okay, honey. You're pretty, I'm smart.
Oh, wow, that's good.
You like all your kids.
Yeah, so many. I went to G-Wing and someone said, who are you? I'm saying like, I'm his charming son. Them like get excited. They're like, oh no.
It's the password. Anyway,
I'm hungry. Yeah, so we're here. So the weather, but we are just praying. But tomorrow morning, what we'll do early morning out there, and then we'll get in before it deteriorates.
I mean, because the hurricane causing the
Yes,
deflect,
it's the
right?
hurricane. It's the hurricane.
Yeah.
Melissa. And she just had a, you know what she had? I can't saltfish.
That's what I said. I cannot give him a hug. I said, oh my God, I just. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good to see you back.
Told your mic, so I'm here. How was everything?
By the way you said it, I didn't think you were gonna make it.
Of course. Well, good.
How's family?
Good. You?
Everybody's good.
How's everything?
1 year here already.
Quick, right? You driving that big Oma again? The big Jeep?
Alright, my brother disinstalled it because he wanna get a new one. His custom is a new one. But we're gonna bring another one.
Guys.
So yes.
Guys,
we're gonna have fun.
Last year to drive a big Jeep.
From Veloz Audio, Miami. Yes.
So she's not driving this one. I don't know which one she's gonna drive next. I don't know which one it's gonna be.
We don't know. It's a surprise.
Surprise.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna win?
Well, today I'm in the Spanish. For tomorrow.
Yeah.
So Team Latinos.
Yeah.
Woo, but yeah.
Team Jamaica. Team Latino. You know.
Good mix.
Yeah. So we're gonna party hard.
Yes, getting ready
Party
for
hard tomorrow. But it's going on now, guys. Are you watching it? It's going on now. Because this video is going to be dropping tomorrow.
Okay.
So that means that the event is happening right now. So you come down to see her with the driving that big
We're gonna have some
four-wheel
fun.
vehicle, you know?
Yes. And
I
a
can
lot of
imagine it's going to be a
Jamaican
big one.
stuff. Yes, we're gonna see what we're gonna get. Surprise.
Alright.
Alright, let's get ready,
Get ready.
for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright.
So they're getting prepared in here, guys. Look.
I never wanna dance again.
Alright guys, so blessed love. So guys, you know that's it. You know I'm gonna head to the hotel. Time to go check in. You know, so it's time for me to go check in and then get some rest up. Get this video edited so you can watch it. So that's why you're watching it right now, because I have to get to the hotel, I have to edit and everything, and then get some rest for tomorrow, which is what you're watching, what's going on right now while you're watching. So yes guys, so blessed love, and remember, thank you so much guys. Please remember to like the video, give the thumbs up. Oops, my phone fall. Give the thumbs up whenever you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So thank you for your kind support. So blessed love, nothing but love and love alone. Love and nothing but love and love alone. So blessed love guys. Peace. See you.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.